We have a 2009 Ford Fiesta Style Plus, and it's the 1.25, the small engine. It's a 3-door, it's in Panther Black Metallic, and it's got 22,000 miles from new. This one is a Category N, which is non-structural from the insurance company. We'll get to that last. As you can see, no damage around this side or the top or the front. Nice and straight and clean. And the bonnet down this side is all good. No damage. It's actually a decent clip. Well, it looks like it is. It's 22,000 miles and it looks like it. Well, we've got a bit of a bump there, but we'll leave it till last. And that is all good as well, and so is the top. Now it's had a bump at the back, and it's just this part here, it's all alright till there. And it's just where the badge is, which is a bit annoying. But we could paint that and straighten it quite easily, but these parts are pretty cheap, so we've bought new ones. And it's got a crack down there as well as a little crack in there. But it's going to be replaced, but there's absolutely no other damage on it. Nothing in here. It's even got like a boot protector, so someone's been looking after it. And no damage inside the boots. It's got a nice brand new spare wheel, so no damage in there, but it won't be. It really is a light damage. It's literally that bumper there. It hasn't even touched the light. And just this edge of this tailgate here. You can see if I shade the lights on there. That is it. Insurance policies normally just replace with new rather than buy second-hand parts like we have, which is here. Actually got a second-hand bumper in the same colour, and it is nice and clean as well. And this one's actually got parking sensors fitted as well, so I have to wire them up. But yeah, so it's got an extra bonus on it, and a tailgate also in Panther Black, so they'll be bolted on, and that really is a couple of wires, a bolt there, and that is it, and it will bolt on. This one's actually a Zetec S1, so you'll get a different badge, and that's about it, unless you want to pick it off. But yeah, that is it, so those will be bolted onto that. Probably put the standard spoiler back on, otherwise it looks a bit daft, and it'll be ready to go. Inside, nice and clean, someone's looked after it. It's 22 on the clock, so it should be. It's got a few extras. It's got electric windows, electric mirrors, it's got a heated front screen and aircon as well. And being the Style Plus, it's got slightly nicer seats with the stripes on. And there you go. So these normally retail at, well, this mileage you won't find many, but there'll be 4.5 grand. I would have thought at least 4, and this one's going to be, I don't know, around the 3.5 mark, and it is a good car for that.